Imagine a life where every day you tap into your full potential. What if you could unlock your brilliance every single day? Picture the endless possibilities that would unfold before you. From achieving personal goals to excelling in your career, the impact would be profound. Today, we'll explore how you can make this a reality. Let's embark on this journey to discover the secrets of daily excellence. Welcome to How to Be Brilliant Every Day, your guide to unlocking the secrets of daily excellence. In this series, we delve into the strategies and mindsets that fuel consistent brilliance. We'll uncover insights from history's greatest minds and today's leading researchers. Whether you're seeking personal growth or professional success, these principles can transform your life. Join us as we explore the path to becoming your best self every day. Meet Benjamin Franklin, a true polymath who thrived by mastering the art of daily habits. Franklin's life was a testament to the power of structure and intention. He meticulously planned his days, balancing work, study, and leisure. His approach to life allowed him to achieve extraordinary feats in science, politics, and philosophy. By understanding his methods, we can learn how to harness our own potential for greatness. Franklin's secret to daily brilliance was deceptively simple, a question he asked himself each morning. What good shall I do this day? This question set the tone for his actions, aligning his efforts with his values. It wasn't just about productivity, it was about purpose. By starting each day with this intention, Franklin ensured his actions were meaningful and impactful. This simple practice can be a powerful tool in our own lives. Modern psychologists suggest that setting daily intentions can significantly enhance performance. Studies indicate that this practice can boost productivity by up to 20%. By clearly defining our goals each day, we create a roadmap for success. This clarity helps us focus our energy and resources on what truly matters. The simple act of setting intentions can transform our approach to work and life, leading to greater achievements. The power of small wins should not be underestimated. Research by Teresa Amabile shows that progress, no matter how small, fuels motivation and engagement. Each small victory builds momentum, encouraging us to tackle bigger challenges. By celebrating these incremental achievements, we reinforce positive behaviors and sustain our drive. This concept of small wins is a cornerstone of sustained success and personal growth. Incorporating a gratitude ritual into your daily routine can have profound effects on your mindset. By writing down 3 things you're grateful for each morning, you cultivate a positive outlook. This practice shifts your focus from what's lacking to what's abundant in your life. According to Harvard Health, gratitude can improve emotional well-being and resilience. It's a simple yet powerful way to start your day on a positive note. Reflection is another key component of daily brilliance. Spend just 5 minutes each evening reviewing your day. This practice allows you to assess your successes and identify areas for improvement. By reflecting on your actions, you gain valuable insights into your habits and behaviors. This self-awareness is crucial for personal growth and development. Make reflection a daily habit to continuously refine your approach to life. Connecting with others is essential for multiplying your brilliance. Building a strong network of supportive relationships can amplify your impact. Collaboration and shared knowledge lead to innovative solutions and new opportunities. By engaging with diverse perspectives, you expand your understanding and capabilities. Remember, your network is a powerful asset in your journey to daily excellence. As we conclude, remember that brilliance is a daily choice. By setting intentions, celebrating small wins, and connecting with others, you lay the foundation for success. These practices empower you to consistently perform at your best. Embrace these strategies to unlock your potential and achieve your goals. The journey to brilliance begins with the choices you make each day. Unlock your potential every day. The keys to brilliance are in your hands, waiting to be used. With the right mindset and habits, you can achieve extraordinary things. Remember, each day is an opportunity to shine. Embrace it and let your brilliance illuminate the world around you.